Hello, everyone, and Madayaw. Welcome once again. We're gonna make book talks in this video. So, yeah, TikTok is one of the apps to watch out for because for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years, it has been one of the most downloaded app there. You've got young people, old people, and everything in between who are using this platform. It is a platform, and it used to be just a few seconds, and now you can do a minute, and then you can do 3 minutes, and now you can do 10 minutes. So there's a lot you can do with the app, and if you want discoverability, especially as a writer, as an artist, I would recommend this. Mind you, this video is not sponsored at all. All right, so ways to make your book talk or the video for your TikTok. We call it book talk because it's like TikTok for books. Anyway, so you can use a computer or you can use the device. You can go straight there. So a lot of people will say, hey, Maita, I'm so busy, super busy. My work just won't allow for me like surfing hours just to make a book talk, so I'm going to give you some examples on what you can do, and I'm going to give you some things that you can do to make your life easier, because it is quite fun to make some TikTok videos, and you don't have to dance for it. You can if you want to. All right, so you're going to have to first set a goal for yourself, whether it's once a day, twice a day. Some people do it 3 times a day. You can be like twice a week or maybe once a week. I tell myself to make at least once a week, but I don't usually follow it. If there's an event or something's happening, I may do like 2 a day during the event or just before, or something. But anyways, the thing is, you're going to have to populate your platform, and you're going to have to make some videos for people to notice you, because sometimes people like what you've done, and then they go to your page and there's nothing there. So yeah. And if you make a TikTok video, you can actually, if it's a minute, you can re-upload it as reels for Facebook or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. And if it's a little longer, yeah, YouTube's good. Now, what can you put there? You can put a lot of things. If you're comfortable with using AI, go for it. If you're not, it's fine. Everyday thing, everyday inspiration, anything to help your book talk. So are you ready? Because I'm going to show you some stuff. All right. So here we are. We are in Canva. If you guys can see this, I'm going to make your life easier. I tried to use the TikTok size in Canva here, but somehow when I export it to TikTok, it kind of shrinks. So the best thing I've used so far is A4 size. Would you believe it? So I'm using the A4 size now. Yeah, so there's going to be a bit of space here, but I think that's normal for phones. Then what you can do is you can either just do something here, or you can already find presets. I like using presets because everything's there already. You don't have to like make your life hard. So for the purpose of this, let's pick something. I might like to pick this, and I might like to add another page here and maybe put here. Okay. So this is a very simple book talk that I'm doing. I'm going to give you guys example of what I do. But if you have, a bigger imagination, just go for it. So you could say, hello, I'm Maita. Show you my book. I want a different font. So I'm going to like make this a little smaller just so it fits. let me tell you about my book. All right, so it's a little a lot. So to like reposition this. There we go. And then maybe in the next page we can upload a cover. So you're gonna have to upload. I've got a lot of stuff here because I actually make my book covers here on Canva. So let's say I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so my high school fairy tale. So let's let that load. And the next one, okay, there's a lot here, so I could like really put things can, let's say, buy it in Amazon. I'm just making this quick, guys. You can add more details if you want to. This book is about high school life after a tragedy. I'm gonna make this bigger. Maybe 36. Position this there. Maybe find out more through my website. Okay, so I'm gonna reposition everything else. Make this a little smaller, maybe just 48. Then I could put my website here, make it a bit bigger. All right, so since I'm gonna upload this to TikTok and possibly also on YouTube, please take note that the captions would be somewhere here. So I could put that here so the captions would show there. I'm gonna fix this around like this. All right. So if I'm happy with that, here it is. I'm gonna animate it. Fun corporate disco party. Maybe just a fun one. Apply to all pages. And up here, you could see that it'll only actually take 15 seconds. So if you feel like it's not enough or it's too short, you can either lengthen some of the pages like this. I'm going to lengthen it. If I feel like, okay, there's too many things written here, well, I'm going to fix things up. Like I'm going to delete this for here. I'm just going to put that here. Like so. And here I'm going to delete this, buy it on Amazon. And what I'm going to do is I could put the Amazon link. So I'm going to put the Amazon link at amazon.com/author/Maita. Yeah, I memorized my links. Okay, I don't want to make this smaller, but I'm going to try to look for a font that's thinner. That way it'll fit. So enter. I think Anton is too thick. Maybe this one. Babas. And if it won't work, we'll look for something else. Futura. I guess we're going to have to work with this. But I'm going to lengthen this. Like so. Okay, maybe make it bigger. Yeah, I think people can read that. And to make things nicer, I'm going to, or make it more visual, I'm going to get the, here to the elements. Did you know you can get the logos here? So I could put like Amazon logo. I put both Amazon and Kindle just so they know that you go to Amazon and download the Kindle version. So we're going to wait for this. I am going to give you guys examples of some BookToks that I have made. And yeah, as I said, you don't have to copy it as it is. You can, make something on your own. I mean, I've seen other people do it like review style, and some people do other style. Oh, okay. Right, Amazon Kindle. Funny, I used to just type Kindle. Now everything's like different. Oh, here, I'll use this one. Alrighty. There we go. It's going to take 21 seconds. I think I'm happy with that. So, yeah. If I'm happy with that, I'm going to, I guess I'm going to save it. So you're going to have to click share, go to downloads, make sure it's in MP4 and all pages are there. And you just wait for it, download. And that's it. Now I'm going to show you some examples of the BookTok. So here's example number 1.
Welcome to another BookTok, and this is my book, For the Love of Gears, Steampunk Collection. It's 3 books in 1, and here it is. By the way, you can buy this on my Amazon store. It's available in ebook format and print format. This is set in the same world as my Steamerella book, but don't worry, you don't have to read it the same time or in any order. They come in any order. Actually, there's no order to them. They're just set in the same world. So this collection, it has The Shoemaker's Daughter, The Dollhouse, and Battle Opera Arena. I hope you guys would download my book. I had fun writing it.
Now we're going to have example number 2.
Hello everyone, and let me tell you about my book. So, lovable men and their chihuahuas. I don't know, a TikTok is giving lipstick to this book of mine. Anyways, this is actually 2 books in 1. You have the lovable Dr. Reuben and the pirate and the vet. So these are available on Amazon, and it is also available in print. So ebook and print. Yeah. So in these 2 books, you will find 2 lovable men. And yes, they love. Why? Because I love chihuahuas. So you have a vet, Dr. Reuben, and he loves animals. He's the type to save animals. And so his heart is compromised because somebody's trying to blackmail him. So can the sweet Officer Marlena rescue him? So it's quite different in this one because you need the heroine to actually save the guy. In the second book, which is The Pirate and the Vet, you have your plain Jane veterinarian from the same vet, so they're kind of in the same universe. Dr. Frida, she gets kidnapped by Captain Diego. So the captain only kidnapped her because he really needed a help of a veterinarian to cure his little chihuahua. I wonder if this would become something more. Of course, I know what's going to happen, but I'll leave you, audience, to find out what happened. And hopefully endear you guys to chihuahuas and like the guys who love chihuahuas. Isn't that right, my Bumblebee?
And finally, here is our finished product. So isn't that easy to do? So there's like different types. I've just shown you 3 different types that you can do. Up to you how you want to do it. It's easy to do. I mean, you don't even have to show your face. You can if you want to. You don't even have to talk for yourself, because if you do it via the TikTok app, you can type and make it do text to speech and it'll talk for you. And if you're familiar with other AI tools that do the talking for you and even make your script for you, you can do that too. So there's a lot of ways you can do it. And if you can make a video a week, that would be great. Now, what happens if you actually don't have much books and it's weird to make 1 video a week just for your book? Then I guess you'll make one twice a month. You can even read excerpts of your book. I've done that. I was reading excerpts of what I was writing. Yeah. As I said, there's so many things that you can do on TikTok. It's all videos. You can even do slideshows there. So up to you what you want to do. Just keep it engaging. Be natural. If you're going to show your face, of course. Well, I'm going to sign off, and I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. I enjoyed making this, and if you like, I will be making story time using TikTok, or making story time for TikTok, like a story time of my books, or maybe making completely new stories just for TikTok, because brand engagement is one thing, and I like to make stories that are engaging, that can inspire people. So there's a lot of books on my website, and they are free. They are short, but it's free. There is no expectations for you to download. You don't need to purchase anything. Just head to my website, maitaru.com, and click free books. It's there on the tab at the top. Alrighty, so bye guys.